Bonjour! Today I will show you how to make an apple crisp. So let's start with the crumble. We put the blender on the scale, and then the crumble is 32 grams. There we go. And then to that we add 16 grams of dates. And then I put it here, and I'm just going to pulse. There you go. As simple as that. And then I will just save it here for now. Next step. Now we do the apples. So now I need, for the filling, I need 120. I already quarter my apples. You know how to do that, so I thought it would be faster that way. Then I will just cut them up a little bit. And it's always easier to cut on the opposite side than the peel. There you go, scraper here. I put that in there. To that, I will add 32 grams. So we had 120. So 32, 152. You see what I'm doing? So I don't have to measure in a cup, just right away in here. Then we have 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Lemon juice. And you do press it yourself. Otherwise, it tastes metallic when you get it from the store. Half a tablespoon of lemon juice. And then we have 1/8 of cinnamon and a pinch of the nutmeg. There we go. And a pinch. There we are. And then we blend. So you saw me, right? What I was doing is while it's blending, I'm cutting my apples. There is no point for me to wait. I can do something else. And here we are. Got all my apples cut up. You can use your food processor if you like for that, but I just want to do extra things that are dirty. I forgot to use raisins. So 33 grams. Okay, now I simply put the mixture here on top, just like that. And then you mix. It's just beyond super easy. There. And then you can choose a dish that will go in the oven, or you can eat it chill. You don't have to cook it. Of course, if you eat it chill, or if you warm it up as little as possible, then you keep more nutrients, right? You know how it goes. And then, there you go. And then we just sprinkle over top with the mix of the walnuts and the dates. You can do a mix of rolled oat and dates if you like, but you sprinkle on top. And it's ready. Eat food that loves you back. Put food on your plate. That is the answer to your health, and that is. So you have a treat that is absolutely delicious, but also delicious for your health. Love food that loves you back. And remember, the answer is on your plate.